Hey guys, welcome to another video. And in this video, I will be playing in the Backwater Bog adventure mode with the tank. This vehicle, the tank. Ah, come on. I do know it. I'm not just doing this. See, I do know it, but sometimes my luck is not that good. See, I do know it. I said I know it and I know it. So currently one of my teammates left. He just joined like a few moments ago, and he said that he was a hacker and he left the team. Well, but I said that too. I said what? Then my teammate said, I think he's joking. Then I thought, okay, you must be joking. Well, I am very happy. I just learned this technique yesterday evening. Yes, evening, not night time. I learned it at like 5 p.m. or some time like that. I am very happy that I finally learned to break the tank barrel. Now I am very pro at it and it makes adventure modes with tank easier. So I'm about to max its grip out. It's level 18. Then I'll max its suspension, then it will be maxed as engine. I maxed very early. Then today I maxed out its engine. Okay, engine max. Oh, see this, how large of a fuel capacity it has. Yes guys, I am also very low on coins because I spent it on its grip. Now it is level 18. It was 17 yesterday. I cannot believe it, I did 20 kilometers with the tank in the forest adventure mode. 20,700 meters. No, not 700, maybe that's 20,100 meters or something like that. Some of you must be wondering why I named myself Wolf in HCR2. Why is my nickname Wolf in HCR2? I named myself Wolf because I love dogs and they go woof woof a lot. So here you go. Wolf is my name now. So this is how I got the name Wolf. The tank is a merciless destroyer. See, I got PV top Piru. Whoa, woohoo guys, woohoo. still realized I died at a very dumb place for the tank. Very dumb place for the tank. So at the end of the video I will give a tutorial on how to break its barrel. Okay, as I am very sure many of you must be wondering how to break its barrel. Whoa. Lowrider. So at the end of the video it will be a tutorial. There will be a tutorial, but it is very hard for me in the Rust Bucket Reef map. I literally cannot break it in the Rust Bucket Reef map. If you want to know, just check Rust Bucket Reef standings, global standings all time, and look at MRN Valkarin's record with the tank, global third all time. That will maybe help you see how to break it in Rust Bucket Reef, because I do not know how to break it in it. I have seen it, but I cannot break it. See, this is what I meant, a stupid place for the tank. See, this is what I meant by a stupid place for the tank. See, this is how large the tank's fuel capacity is. It is very bulky, so I have to be cautious. That's why it gets a bit low on fuel by the time I reach the other fuel. But at least it has a good fuel capacity. I guess Fingersoft did not account of me reaching the next fuel. See this, but at least I did. Oh, come on, tank. Grow up here. Grow up. You're a super vehicle. Guys, can I just say one thing? When I was a nub in HCR2 and just unlocked the tank, I was like, oh my god, I did not know any HCR2 YouTuber, so I thought like, oh my god, I've unlocked the tank, I just need to buy it. And maybe if I buy it, then there would be a special button called shoot, and you will be able to shoot from its barrel every 10 seconds. That's what was in my mind when I was a nub. Okay, now that was a pretty stupid thing for me, but now I know there's no such thing as a tank shoot button. I really wish there was a tank shoot button. The tank would shoot barrels that would destroy the vehicles in front of you during races, and in adventure mode it would destroy any obstacle, and it would in adventure mode it would shoot any obstacles that would come in front of your path. No guys, literally that's what I thought. I have a big imagination, and big imagination. I am lucky that that was just water. I'm lucky it wasn't goop. And by goop I mean that brown marshy goops. Backwater bog. My teammate and a very good friend, JC Taxi. Oh my god. Got out of fuel over there. Okay. Oh my god. That was very frustrating actually. Not going to lie, that part where I was almost got a driver down was very frustrating. Lol, pialiness, lol. XD. Whoa. Is my recording even on? Good. Suddenly, I don't know how that thought came that my recording was off. Suddenly, it just came into my mind that I had to check it. There's no such thing as it's not basically an obstacle for a tank. Tank is a destroyer. And no obstacle can stop it. Okay. Tank does not have any obstacles. It is an obstacle. And obstacles can destroy obstacles, so it destroys other obstacles. This is a very important quote by me, Absolutes Aji, or my player name Wolf. Oh no. I'm so lucky that a tank can break through so many objects easily. Luckily, I know that I can get the fuel. Oh, no, I don't think I can. Fuck! Frick! Oh, come on, thank. Give me a minute. Challenge link in the description. None of my stars got counted. Amazing. Is there anything else I would want that none of my stars got? Okay, they did. Good. Let me show you how to break its barrel. Use a bit of force, move almost vertical and use a lot of force, move almost vertical, then hit its barrel and hit on its barrel. Well, I got a sad death. Very sad indeed. Very sad indeed. One of the saddest driver downs indeed. Very, very, very sad. Seen my friends? Leapsy! I'm gonna kill you! Congratulations, JC Thomas Bull 9600. Dude, JCGM Cats. I guess you will be able to get. Okay, JCGM Cat. GM Cat. Yay, 1 minute. Now, guys, if I am literally serious, after this video, I will retry in the Backwater Bog adventure mode with my tank until I get it. Serious? That's what you need to have dedication, dudes. Well, now let's play PL Foolish Challenge. Come on, Jan. Must be Crocs. Well, yes, guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.